to open the hatch door.
Okay.
And this is called an ERV, an energy recovery system, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna do when you do, make sure that this switch is off.
Turn the switch off.
Yes.
First, okay.
Turn
Step
the
one.
switch. Okay. Then the next thing is 2 little clips, one here and one here. And then just
This thing just come down.
drop the hatch lid. Reposition your ladder to get inside. So there's 2 small filters. There's one here.
Ah.
And there's one here. These 2 little filters.
Oh, so dirty already.
That's the dust from the outside.
My goodness.
My other building was full of pigeon feathers, right?
That's crazy.
Yeah. So,
Wow.
set that for now,
I can't believe it.
right? So anything that's floating around outside, dust, pollen, pigeon feathers, it'll all end up in that filter.
Okay.
Okay, there's a little clip at the top. So just undo
Just clip through the thing.
undo that, and then this little clip moves to the side, that little silver clip there.
Okay.
It just spins. And all it does is holds the filter in place once you've let go. Okay, so we move the clip, pull out the cube. So with the vacuum all 4 sides, okay? It looks okay, because that little gray filter that's there catches 99% of this stuff.
Oh, before you got to this.
Before it gets to this. So every 6 months, just give it a vacuum. That's it. Okay? So then when you put it back in, make sure that the direction of everything goes back in the same spot. Make sure.
Oh, okay. It matters?
Yeah, it does. Yes. Because if it goes in the other direction, the filter's backwards.
Oh.
Has to go this way. Okay?
Okay, better make sure it's
All
on
right.
the video. Okay, yeah.
Okay, and then just put the little clip, and then you can give it a little turn just to keep it snug. Done. And this one also says filter, not here, not here. So when you put the filter back inside, just put it back in, and just wiggle it until it sits nice and flat.
Is there anything that holds it in place?
Yeah, it just stays in place. Because like I said, don't squeeze it when you wash it. Otherwise it won't form properly. Just keep it square. And there's a little ledge inside here where it sits on too, so just make sure that it sits in there properly. Okay, that's it on that. All right, you okay with that?
I think so.
All right, close it back up. Put the clips on. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to turn it back on.